In this video, you'll learn how to set up auto-invest plans on Binance. By following these steps, you will be able to automate your investment strategy effectively. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. Once there, sign in to your account using your credentials. After logging in, locate the menu where you will find sections labeled Earn or Auto Invest. Click on Auto Invest to access the automated investing feature. It's essential to have sufficient funds in your designated wallet to proceed with this step. Once you've accessed the Auto Invest section, you will be presented with various investment plans. Take your time to review these options carefully, as Auto Invest is designed primarily for long-term strategies. This is an important step that ensures you understand the investment opportunities available before making a commitment. Next, select the cryptocurrency you wish to invest in on a recurring basis. After choosing your coin, specify the investment amount and how often you want to make these purchases, whether daily or weekly. Additionally, select your preferred payment method or source wallet for these transactions. If available, review the estimated returns provided. It is crucial to confirm the details of your investment plan, ensuring that the recurring deductions are within your budget. After setting up your investment plan, it is important to monitor its performance over time. You can track your auto-invest history directly from your dashboard. Regularly review how your investments are performing and make adjustments to the amount of frequency if necessary. Remember, you have the option to pause or cancel the plan at any time if your financial goals change. Always ensure that you maintain a sufficient balance in your wallet to avoid any failed investments. That completes the process of setting up your auto-invest plans on Binance. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.